Phrase 1. Totally awesome. Meaning. Very, very impressive. Example. His motorcycle is totally awesome. It must have cost a fortune. Phrase 2. Send someone to glory. Meaning. 1. Fig, to kill someone. Example. You want me to send you to glory or something? 2. Fig, to officiate at the burial services for someone. One shot sent him to glory. The preacher probably gets $50 for every stiff he sends to glory. Phrase 3. Recommend someone as something. Meaning. To suggest someone as something. Example. Could you recommend Frank as a good carpenter? I can recommend Jane Smith as a good artist. Phrase 4. In a delicate condition. Meaning. Youth. Pregnant. Example. She shouldn't be lifting those boxes. She's in a delicate condition. Are you sure you're up for this hike? I know you're in a delicate condition. Phrase 5. Strain for an effect. Meaning. To work very hard to try to achieve some effect. Example. Don't strain for effect so much. The authors of this drama knew what they were doing, and it's in the lines already. The actors were straining so hard for an effect that they forgot their lines. Phrase 6. Have one's heart dead set against something. Meaning. To be totally against something. To be opposed to something. Example. John has his heart set against going to college. Jane has her heart dead set against going to Australia. Phrase 7. Bring someone or something back. Meaning. To make someone or something return. Example. Bring back my child. Would you please bring the child back? Phrase 8. Jolt to a start. Meaning. To start or stop moving suddenly, causing a jolt. Example. The truck jolted to a stop at the stop sign. The little car jolted to a quick start and threw the passenger back in his seat. Phrase 9. Jack someone up. Meaning. 1. To excite or stimulate someone, possibly with drugs. Example. I guess I'll have to jack up the carpenter again to repair my stairs. Tom jacked up his buddy by talking to him. Tom jacked up Fred with a lot of encouragement. 2. To motivate someone, to stimulate someone to do something. Phrase 10. Interest someone in something. Meaning. To cause someone to wish to purchase something. Example. Can I interest you in some additional insurance on your life? Could I interest you in something with a little more style to it?